Hi, I'm Ian Stables, Senior Project Manager here at Berthon Boat Company, and this is Brynhilde, a 1958 Bermudian sloop designed by Fred Parker. Berthon has one of the most modern yacht and boat paint spraying facilities in Europe. The 92 by 36 foot finishing booth is flanked by two similar sized preparation booths. This allows a dust-free spray paint finish every time. Brynhilde was moved into the paint facility for the application of several layers of international epoxy primer, some very careful final sanding and the application of international Perfection Pro polyurethane top coat in Mediterranean white. Throughout the painting application and curing process, the air temperature, hull temperature and air humidity were continuously measured and monitored to ensure the optimum conditions for both the application and curing of the paint. This helps ensure that not only a first-class finish is achieved, but also maximises the properties of the paint coatings to resist scuffing and UV degradation. With the painting finished and the curing complete, Brynhilde was moved back to our main workshop, where she was once again enveloped in scaffolding to provide a safe working environment for the completion of the refit. This phase seeing the reinstallation of deck fittings, port lights, cockpit winches, steering system, along with the final aspects of interior work. One of the jobs to bring her back to her former glory was the gilding of the Cavita line and application of sign-written names to the bow and the transom. Following the application of an adhesive size, gold leaf was applied, a rare and dying art that's not often seen these days. The gilding is picked out with a red outline, and one has to agree it really does provide an extremely elegant and characteristic addition to this classic yacht. The coach roof is deceptive, looking like hide gloss varnish. The teak is actually finished in multiple layers of Colan, an extremely elastic coating designed to move with the timber and found in previous Mediterranean use by the owner to outperform traditional yacht varnish. We also headed back down below to varnish and polish the interior joinery ready for launch.